Need to meet up or stay safe? Share your live location on WhatsApp in just a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to send live location on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the WhatsApp app on your screen and tap on the chat with the person you want to share your live location. In the text field, you will see an attachment icon. Tap on it. A menu will appear with several options like gallery, camera, document. Select the location option. After tapping location, you will see two options. Send your current location and share your live location. Select share live location to send continuous update of your location. WhatsApp will ask you to choose how long you want to share your live location. You can select according to your preference. After selecting the duration, tap on the send button at the bottom right. Your live location will be now shared and the person can track your movement in real time. So this is how to send live location on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.